Hello again, friend. I pray that you are well and happy and blessed today. It's Tuesday, short day for Miss Mila. I'm irritated because I just tried to film an update for the Olay versus L'Oreal, and I'm trying to use the rear-facing camera because it's supposed to have better quality, but I can't see my rear-facing camera, and so it wasn't as sharp as it should have been. Which, what's the point of doing a video of skincare results if you can't see the skin? I also fell asleep last night before putting any of the moisturizer on, and so I have no idea if this stuff will only work. If this stuff only works if you do it twice a day, because it says to do it morning and night. I have no idea, but we'll see. I have ideas. I just, and I think that, they might be good ideas. My execution leaves a little to be desired. This is the Olay side, and this is the L'Oreal side. They don't really feel any different to each other, but this L'Oreal side, I felt that on my skin most of the day. Anyway, kids off to school this morning. I look like I'm bald. Do you see all that hair up there? It's gonna be 80 degrees today for a high, and 74 in like the next 3 days. I don't understand what's happening. I don't understand. This does not seem right. I will say, though, I remember in the past that Halloween is the time whenever the weather starts to really get cooler. So, if it stays like mild like this to Halloween and beyond, then I genuinely will be very confused. I got videos to work on. Paperwork to do. Just regular life stuff. I want to enjoy this. They used to call it Indian summer. Is it Indian summer? I don't know. Anyway. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I don't know if I told you or not, but the church is moving up Sunday night service starting like the first week of November. 2 more weeks, maybe? I don't know, to 5:30. So my husband will be going from 5:30 to 6:30, and he should be home by 7, which would be great. If he can be home by 7, that's fantastic. This last Sunday, 2 days ago, I was exhausted, and I was acting like a brat because I was tired, and I was mad because he was leaving. And so then Jason's like, I'll just stay and you go take a nap. So, and then Christopher's like, Papa, you said you were going to play with me. Anyway, Rodney ended up staying home. I rested, and he played with the kids, and then just normal Bible study bedtime kind of thing. I felt bad for him that he didn't get to go to church, but I was also relieved that there was somebody there, so that I didn't have to do life, I don't know what we're having for supper tonight. Last night we had ham and cheesy potatoes. I'm trying to think of what kind of meat I have. I don't know. I know I have a roll of hamburger. Oh, we have some chili. I don't know if that got eaten or not. That's what we're having for supper. I'm going to, if there is enough, I'm going to take the chili that I made Thursday. I think Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, it needs to be eaten. And then I'll add some baked beans to it and make it like what we call camping beans. And if that doesn't work out, then it'll probably be... Oh, I have tortellini that I forgot about. I'll do tortellini. Do some meatball tortellini. I don't know, maybe. I love you. Thanks for hanging out this morning. I'm gonna go get me an English muffin, do my paperwork, and then go home and work on videos. I know, it's such an exciting life. Doing any appointments. I've rearranged all of our appointments so that they're either Monday afternoon or Wednesdays. So, and today's Tuesday. I love you. I pray that Father God has his arms around you and that you feel loved and blessed. Everything happens for a reason. Lord willing and the creek don't rise. I will see you tomorrow. Lots and lots and lots of love. I just was working on putting today's video together, and I realized, because I got out of my car and started walking the house, that I don't feel good. My energy is gone. So Sundays, I'm exhausted, but I felt super tired. I think I told you last week that my thyroid levels were way out of whack. And they've increased my thyroid, but I think my iron, I'm not sure what's going on. But yesterday afternoon, after I gave plasma and I came home, I just did not feel good when I got up from my nap. I remember in January when my thyroid and my iron were bad, it felt like I was just walking underwater all the time, and that's kind of how it feels now. Anyway, I just wanted to make a note of it because, you know, not only is this me talking to you, but it's also me kind of keeping track of things. It was really hard to walk from the car to the house. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't know if it's my thyroid or my iron or what. I've increased my thyroid medication. I'm taking my iron when I'm supposed to. Something's not right, though. Something's not right.